It's the NutriChef Easy Barbecue. It's a meat thermometer with probe that allows you to work with your iPhone app. So you don't have to sit and monitor your smoker, your barbecue. You can be in your office working or anywhere else within somewhere in the 50 to 150 foot range. So that is the deal maker for me. Now, I own one of these already. We got this for my son-in-law. I got mine as a gift. He's going to get his as a gift. So I hope he doesn't mind that we're using it for a little bit of an unboxing here so that you can see what it looks like when it's fresh out of the box and you get it at home. First thing we see is the actual thermometer itself, and it does come with batteries. I'll show you that right here. It does come with batteries. There is supposedly a magnetic backing on here so that you can put this on your barbecue or smoker, which I don't recommend. I put it someplace next to your barbecue. This is not heat resistant, so it will melt if you put it someplace hot. I haven't had a problem with that. I just put it right next to on a shelf, or actually I keep my Traeger right next to my barbecue. I put it on the barbecue shelf, and there's plenty of room for that, plenty of line and so forth. This is to be used with your iPhone. That's really why you're buying it, so you can, again, have that remote access. However, you don't have to have the iPhone. It's when you power it up, it's actually useful right here. All the information's right here. So if you are sitting down there hanging out, you can just use this and you're set. It comes with probes. Now, one thing I wanted to point out here, this is just the holder. When I first got this, I thought, what the heck is this thing and how does it work? This plastic part here is simply a holder, but it is a handy holder. And this is a 4-foot long probe. It is color coded because you want to keep track of your probes. This comes with 2 probes. We have 6 options. There's 6 inputs, so you can have 6 different inputs. If you're doing a turkey, if you're doing a pork roast, if you're doing a tri-tip, all at the same time, you can do 6. That you have that option, but you do have to buy the probes separately. They are available online. So these probes actually will fit into the side, and then 4 feet long. They will wind into your Traeger, your barbecue. Most of them do have an outside. I know the Traeger has an outside access into for this line to go inside, and there's a rubber grommet that goes through there. So you put this inside, and then inside your meat, so you can keep your meat temperature without lifting up your lid all the time and letting all that precious heat out of your oven. And then you can just monitor it either looking at this if you're sitting there, like I said, or from your app. By the way, this is Bluetooth all the time that you're using, which is really nice because you don't have to rely on wireless. Sometimes we don't have the best wireless, or sometimes you might want to take this whole getup over to your friend's house. You can just plug right into the wire to the Bluetooth. Now, the only time you need wireless is one time when you download the app for your iPhone. And also keep in mind, this Bluetooth is a little bit different configuration. It just works with, it only works with the program. So you won't see it on your iPhone, your iPhone Bluetooth section that lists all the Bluetooth devices. You won't see it there. So don't freak out when you don't see it there. You don't need to see it there. You only need to see it communicating with the app, once you've installed the app. A question people have, can these probes be used to take a temperature of your oven temperature? So the grill oven, yes, it can, and that's very important. So for this one, you won't be using it to stick into the meat. You'll just be leaving it out. You just got to make sure that the probe doesn't come in contact with a flame. You're not going to have to worry about that with the Traeger smoker. You're not going to have to worry about that with most gas ovens. You just keep it up on a higher level. So there we are. What I'd like to do is later follow this up with a hands-on video. I can show you the app then, and then be using it with some meats out there. So right now, Donna, this is ready to, I'll put it back together and we'll give it to Darren for his birthday present.